So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today's video is on a new altcoin review. So I'm going to be getting into this video in a sec, but before I get into this video I have to thank you guys so much because I've now hit the monetization threshold to start getting basically ad revenue. So I wouldn't have done it without you guys, and I can't thank you guys enough. So have got two pictures up in the background making the scenery a lot better, but let's get into the video. So the coin is called Jindu Inu DAP. So it's basically another dog, and as you guys know, dog crypto coins do so well on the whole cryptocurrency market. So this is why I'm quite bullish already. So I'm going to do a nice review, how to buy, and also my prediction for this coin. So links will all be in the description for the Jindu Inu. So guys, if you are new, hit the subscribe button, also leave a like, so it does mean the absolute world, and Discord and all my other links down there if you guys want to buy any other crypto. Binance and all the other links are down there as well. So let's get into it. So taking a look at the Jindu Inu website. So it looks very, very good. It's called the Deflation Utility Token and it's community owned token. Just looking at the site itself right now, it looks very, very good. I like the whole, it looks very fun, it looks happy, it looks quirky, I like it. It's listed on 6 out of 9 listings. So more and more listings are coming very, very soon. That's definitely coming. So if I go down to the bottom, so about DAPPS, this token will be used by Jindo Swap, the Jindo NFT in the future. Jindo Swap is a swap built on the BSC chain, and if it provides liquidity, you can receive Jindo Fee tokens. And Jindo Fee tokens will be issued with the launch of the swap and will be distributed to 100% liquidity providers. So Jindo NFT is an NFT sales and maker place where you can make and sell your own dogs by synthesizing several types of dogs. So Jindo NFT can use Jindo tokens to purchase and synthesize puppies, and Jindo Fee tokens to level up puppies. So it's almost like a little Tamagotchi. You grow your puppy to make it into a bigger dog, and you can obviously get tokens and NFTs with it. So this is the nice little animation, which does look very, very cool. This just looking at the first few slides, it looks very professional. Just looking at it now, it looks very well done, I have to admit. So the Jindu Inu Plan. So we plan to create a magnitude swap and magnitude NFT in Jindo Swap. Only tokens that have passed the Jindo team's review can provide liquidity. This will be a safer swap for investors. In addition, in Jindo Swap, you can stake Jind to get Jind Fee tokens. The Jind token is used to create and breed puppies in the future NFT DAPP. So I feel like you can obviously breed puppies in the DAPP. And the Jind Fee token is used to upgrade the puppies. So this looks very, very cool. We can make even more secure swaps, give investors confidence, and have their own dog NFT. We'll look at the tokenomics of this coin. The Jindu Inu token. So it's a deflation utility token. Total supply of 1,000 trillion, which is obviously 1 quadrillion. 500 trillion is already burnt, so obviously 50% is already gone. And the total transaction fee is 3%. So they say around about 3 to 5% slippage on your purchases. So 1% goes to holders, so you're earning passive income just from holding this, and it's obviously very similar to other coins. This is why I like this coin, because obviously you're getting passive income. 1% gets given straight into your account with every single transaction, and 1% burn as well. So that's very, very good. And 1% dev marketing. And obviously people don't really want the transactions going to obviously the marketing. However, what they don't understand is that the marketing helps grow this project, and that's the main thing. When you're invested into a coin, you want to see the project grow. So this is very, very vital. No team, marketing token, no pre-sale. So 50% there, 50% there, completely transparent. You can see that right there. So the roadmap of this project is all advertising and registration procedures for token growth will be executed and finalized by influencers, YouTubers marketing, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and CoinHunt registry. So obviously I'm helping out with that as well. You can start develop Jindu Swap, various CEX listing promotions. That is obviously in Q3. Q4, the Jindu Swap launch. This swap can run by swap pool and receive fee token. That's obviously another token that they're bringing out as well on the whole exchange. So 2022, the start of 2022, is Jindu NFT developed DAPP that can create new puppies by synthesizing multiple puppies. So I like this. It does give me kind of a sort of a Pokemon feel, but this does look really cool. It's some sort of interactability, and you can have a dog digitally. So this is what I like about this. You can have multiple puppies, and it just looks sick. So if you guys like to contact Jindu Inu, you can obviously message them on their website. Links down below if you want to go on the website. Their Telegram has over 9,500 members just in the group, which is absolutely huge, and it's growing and growing every single day. And guess what, guys? This whole project has only been about for 2 weeks, 14 days to be exact. So having 9,000 members in just 14 days is absolutely huge. Their Twitter has over 8,000 followers in itself, and they do upload quite a lot as well. They are having a lot more people shouting out their projects, which is very, very important because we want this coin to get about, burn more supply, and obviously then more tokens get distributed into your accounts. So this is what I like about it, because obviously, guys, the more transactions that happen, obviously more gets burned, supply goes down, price goes up. That's what you guys want, making passive income just from holding. So they've also been audited as well by the Solidity Finance. They're basically audited to say that it's a real coin, it's not scammy at all, it's 100% transparent. And this is what's good about audits, because I see so many coins that are not audited and they get rug pulled. But this is rug pull proof, which is very, very good, because this is what I get worried about when I invest into a coin. I don't want to see a rug pull. So by having this audit kind of shows some transparency, allowing us to basically know this is a legit organization. So looking on at BSC scan, this is a Binance coin, so it is on the Binance blockchain rather than Ethereum. So when you do buy this coin, the gas fees are very, very low compared to Ethereum. As you guys notice, I only really shout out Binance tokens really, just because I don't like paying for the extortionate gas fees. So with the Jindu Inu, obviously it has a 1 quadrillion supply, but like we know, 500 trillion is left because of the burning. 17,500 addresses, so there's over 17,000 holders, and over 128,000 transfers. And this is very, very important because we want more and more transfers, so obviously more gets burned. So if you guys would like to buy, you could buy it on CoinTiger and DX Sale, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it on pancakeswap, because that's probably what more people use. So obviously you connect your wallet top right corner, make sure you're in the Binance blockchain. So I have 0.0033 BNB. I'm going to add that in, and as you see at the bottom, I have literally my Jindu stuff at the bottom. I can get 264 million Jindu Inu tokens just from a $2 investment. That's absolutely huge. And like I said, guys, it's only 14 days old. More and more news and projects are coming out with this project. So I'm looking forward to it, especially if I'm holding, bearing in mind 14 days old. People will be jumping in this, and I'll be getting more and more just by holding, because obviously the tokenomics, which is absolutely beautiful. That's what you want in a coin, and I only shout out the good coins. So that's how you guys buy. If you guys need any help on how to buy Jindu Inu or any other problems, just comment below. But just quickly, the market cap for this coin is $1,796, so it still is fairly cheap, and there's still a lot of movement. The all-time high was around about 91, so double the price it is now. But like I said, once I bring in the NFTs and more interactability, this will probably skyrocket. So at the moment there is 8 zeros in the price, but it will probably go up. Fingers crossed. That's a fingers crossed, no guarantee, but I can see more than likely when NFTs get announced, because obviously how big the NFTs are, and obviously once more marketing for the Jindu Inu. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Links for all Jindu Inu, Telegram, everything, all down there. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out people. See ya. Bye.